Today, I'm going to walk you through how to post your introduction assignment. First, you will log into your single sign-on portal at my.unity.edu. Once logged in, you will click on your Canvas tile. This will bring you to your Canvas dashboard where you can access your courses. Click on the course that you wish to participate in. Now you should see your course homepage. After reading through your instructor introduction, continue scrolling until you see modules. From here, you'll click Start Here. This should bring you to your course overview where you can read through your honor code, code of conduct, and tech for success. In order to move past this page, you will need to click Confirm Your Agreement. Then, you can continue to read more about what your course is going to be about and what you can expect moving forward. Once you reach the bottom of the page, click Mark as Done, and then click Next. Scroll through and read your Week 1 overview. Once you get to the bottom of the screen, click Next. Now is the time to post your introduction. Read through the prompt, and then when you get to the bottom, click Reply. After you type through your introduction, click Reply again. You should see your introduction posted below the prompt. That is how you submit your introduction assignment. To get to your other course, click Dashboard. Then you can select the other course that you wish to participate in. Repeat these steps.